Hi, I'm Rachel.
I'm Matt.
And welcome to TRP Today. Today we are going to talk about one of my favorite items, accessories.
That's right, Rachel. First, we have TRP's license plate holder with a single swing plate bumper face. It has a premium quality stainless steel finish that gives it a strong, bright appearance that will look great against any bumper.
We also have a TRP bug deflector. This bug deflector is a perfect addition to any truck for protecting your vehicle from road debris and paint chips, while also enhancing the look and style.
Both the bug deflector and license plate holder are made of 304 series stainless steel. This steel is strong, lightweight, and has great corrosion resistance.
So, not only do TRP accessories look and perform great right out of the package, you know they're going to perform well for a long time.
You can find the full line of TRP accessories by going to your local dealership or TRP store. You can also find more information online at trpparts.com. That's all for this edition of TRP Today.
We'll see you next time.
For more information on TRP parts and ordering,
Please visit trpparts.com.